Welcome to this fast tutorial that we are starting right away. We learn how to start with Android Studio and generate the installer for your app. So we go to the browser and search for Android Studio download. Click download, accept the agreement and download again. Once the download is complete, we'll open the file and the installation will begin. We click next and accept all as is presented. A little fast forward to accelerate the tutorial. Bear in mind it's a little bit slower in real life. Click next and finish to complete. Browse for Android Studio in your app, you might find it there. Once it's installed, we'll not be importing settings right now, so go for that. This is up to you. I usually click Don't Send, Next, Standard, Next, and finally accept all agreements. A little bit more fast forward. All the required components will be downloaded. This part is a little bit slow, you gotta be patient. See an error there, but we will not pay attention for now, it's not a stopper. We'll select in this step to get from BCS, which means basically get our code from Git. So we go to our repo, look for Android examples, get the Git URL, and paste it into Android Studio. But we don't have a Git engine installed yet, so we are going to click download and install. It's super simple. When this is done, we click clone and the interface will download our repository. We will trust the project and there we have it. you will be requested to allow access and a library installation process will start. More fast forward. You will see the log for all the downloads. Finally, we will see the build success message. When I try to switch to another branch, have an error of untracked files. A file was created in the process of installation, so view the files and remove it so you can change the branch. And we are ready to try the build. We don't have the Gradle build action yet available, so we go for making a project option that compiles everything and will tell us if everything is in place. If we have a success, we are good to go. Take notice, you will see messages of that kind. We deal with those later. So we are ready to go to build a bundle. Build APK, which basically compiles and generates the installation file for Android. Once the process is done, we get another success and a message will pop up pointing at the location of the created APK. We go to the debug folder and we can now send the file to our phone. By the way, you can go to experimental and configure all graded tasks and sync again in order to see all graded tasks where you find the build action. See you in the next one.